What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob. I'm back with another video. I'm back in this, and I happened to pick up the Galaxy Z4 Flip, or the Z Flip 4, however you want to name it, you know what I mean. I decided to go with a flip this year instead of going with a fold. The fold was real cool. I enjoyed the fold, but there wasn't that much of a difference in this year's Fold 4 and in comparison to last year's Fold. They were basically almost the same phone with some minor tweaks. So in a lot of ways, I kind of felt like I might have, I could have just repurposed old Fold videos and just call them the Fold 4. So let me try something different. I want to go with this Flip 4, and we're going to see how I go. Now, this particular phone does have a 6.7-inch display. Got two dual 12 megapixel cameras, 8 gigs of RAM, and what's new this year, it does have a 3700 milliamp battery. Now, this is the 256 gigabyte variant, so I'm looking forward to putting this through its paces. The front-facing camera is a 10 megapixel f2.4. It can shoot 4K 30. The rear can do 4K 30 and 60. It can do 1080 in 60 and 240 frames, and ultra slow-mo and 720 at 960. So what else is new about this? Android 12 is on here, and we're running Samsung's One UI 4.1.1. The biggest significance in the next Android and Samsung skin will be the 13 and the next version of the Samsung One UI. I'm looking forward to that and seeing how it plays out with this. This phone does have stereo speakers. It is tuned by AKG. So if that means anything to you. Also, oh yeah, I forgot, it's IPX8 water resistance up to 1.5 meters, which is like 3.5 feet, for about 30 minutes. Gorilla Glass, has a plastic front opening. It had Gorilla Glass Evictus. It does have the aluminum frame and a new hinge system. So with all that out the way, let's pop it open. It has Samsung's normal stuff in there. Pretty much your SIM eject tool, books, and C2C cable. I went with this nice looking gray. Try to get as much of a masculine color as possible, because to me this phone kind of walks that thin line of marketing to women and trying to market towards men. But the overall marketing of this phone, I really think, is for people who are really heavily into social media. If you're a TikTok fanatic, Reels, Instagram, I think this is the phone to have. Let's get this. Now, it does feel somewhat narrow, which was one of my complaints with the Fold 3 when you used to have it in the fold mode. I wish it was a little wider, but this isn't as bad as a fold phone. A new hinge mechanism on the back, so that looks pretty good. Real smooth, got a nice little resistance to it. It does come with a screen protector already on board. I'm not going to change that out. I usually can ride out whatever screen protector that's on there. You got your power button, and I'm assuming this is a flash fingerprint sensor, volume rocker, and you have a where you put your SIM card in on the left side. Cameras in the middle. You got a microphone on top, Type-C on the bottom with a speaker. So this is really nice. I like this. I'm going to look forward to using this and giving you my opinion of what I think about this phone. This display, it's supposed to be a lot more functionality to it, so looking forward to that. So I'm going to pretty much get this set up. I'm going to come back with like my first maybe 24 hours, 48 hours impression of what I think of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. And maybe I can convince some of you guys who may not see this phone as a viable option of it being a possible option. So again, if you like this video, 2 thumbs up, subscribe, be on the lookout for more videos. I'm back. I'm ready to do this. Catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.